Your Hisense Smart TV isn't working right, or the remote has gone missing. Don't worry. This video will walk you through how to factory reset your Hisense Smart TV, whether you have the remote or not. Every method is covered clearly and step by step. If you have your Hisense TV remote, doing a factory reset is really simple. Just press the home button on your remote, then go to the settings menu by selecting the gear or cog icon. From there, scroll down and choose Device Preferences. Inside that menu, you'll see the Reset option. Go ahead and tap on it. Then choose Erase Everything and confirm your selection. This will completely restore your TV to its default settings, removing all personal data, apps, and saved accounts. If you don't have the remote, you can still factory reset your Hisense TV using the buttons on the TV itself. First, press the power button on your TV to turn it off. Then unplug the TV from the power source and wait for about 10 seconds. After that, plug it back in. Now, press and hold the volume down button and the channel down button at the same time. Keep holding them until you see the setup screen appear on the TV. This means the reset process has started. Some Hisense TV models also have a reset button on the back. It's usually a small hole with the word Reset written next to it. If you see that on your TV, take a paper clip and gently press it inside the hole. Keep the button pressed while watching the screen. Hold it until the setup screen appears. This does the same job as the other method and will start the factory reset process. If your TV is already connected to Wi-Fi, you can use your smartphone as a remote. Just download the Hisense Remote app or any universal remote app from your app store. After that, make sure your phone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your TV. Open the app, and it should let you control the TV. Use it to go into the Settings menu, then find System or Support, and look for the Factory Reset option. Once you select it, confirm the reset and your TV will begin the process. That's it for this video on how to factory reset your Hisense Smart TV, whether you've got the remote or not. I hope these step-by-step methods made the process easier for you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more simple tech guides. Got any questions? Or did one of these methods work for your TV? Let me know in the comments below. I'd really like to hear your experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.